Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete or deactivate your Grab merchant account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and tap on your Gmail. So once you tap on your Gmail, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on compose, and after you tap on the compose button, you will have this sort of page. Now simply in the to section, type in the email address help@getgrab.com. Once you type it in, you will have the ID of getgrab. Now in the subject, you need to type delete my account. So after you do this, you need to write a mail to the Grab account section to delete your current account in your Grab merchant. So once you type in all the details about why you want to delete your Grab merchant account and what are your issues and hit the send button, you will be able to delete your Grab merchant account after some quick verifications and a reply back from your Get Grab account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.